Hi, my name is Alexander Gonzalez. My teacher is this class is Jennifer Tovar, and it is step 6 per part technology negotiations and unit 1, 2, and 3. Date May 2022. Definition of how to protect the intellectual property of the software. A software can be protected in Colombia through a copyright registration before the National Director of Copyright (DNDA). It is not considered a patent since it is not sometimes. Value method used to establish the price and the reasons of the selections. The method used is method. It consists of comparing the price for which similar assets have been exchanged between buyers and sellers. Identifies the potential context that will be used for the comparison of price. For example, industry, market share, investment capital. On the other hand, for the method to be successful, the market must be active. That is, say that a large number of transactions is carried out. Since the number is important, since few transactions are not synonymous with a real market, as it is also important that the market is public. The information must be available and easily accessible to users. General conditions of the licensing and the negotiation. Parties, Part 1, Software Company Colombian ACE.A. Part 2, Company interested in the software. Um, Start date, start from the finalization and legalization of the formal license agreements. Duration, the license has an initial term of 1 year. And 4. Nature of the license IP, software copyright. Work schedule from 8 a.m. to 12 noon from Monday to Friday. Cost: in case of technology transfer, the cost will be fully assumed by the company interested in the software. In the event that new permits are required for software development, the cost will be assumed equally by both parties. Lump sum royalties. The license fee is based on a market method of commercial value of 325,000 and a royalty rate of 25%. Payment schedule, uh, license options, option term on listen, right the first refusal, scope of license. Um, these characters is going to value my software or the software the company the software Colombian is point A. Legally warranty on license patents, ownerships of IP. And conclusions. Uh, The development of ideas is a constant for beings. Their ability to explore, analyze, and interpret their environment through research and technology development in an unanimous. This intelligible virtue of the human being is a problem, since the quantitative value of an idea is intrinsically complicated. Therefore, to value a good or a service, it is based mainly on the approximate associations of another valuation already executed, as or or are in this job, the university. Reference. Thank you.